y'all, today I'm going to make a Cherry Delight recipe. This is a Dollar Tree recipe that contains 6 ingredients. We're going to start with 1 block of cream cheese. I'm going to add in 1 cup of powdered sugar. One 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks that I have drained. And I just press these with my fingers to crush them a little more. I'm going to fold in 1 container of Cool Whip. This is 8 ounces. Now I have a 3-quart glass dish. This is a little bit bigger than an 8x8. And I just put a little butter in the bottom. You can use nonstick spray, margarine, whatever you have. We're going to open this. This is a graham cracker crust. All of these items came from the Dollar Tree. You don't have to get it at the Dollar Tree. You can get this stuff at Walmart. It may be cheaper. Doesn't matter. I'm going to use 2 of these. I'm going to add about 1/4 of a cup of water. We'll just put our mixture on top of the crust. We're going to add 2 cans, 15 ounces each, of this cherry pie filling over the top. We're going to refrigerate this for about 4 hours, and then we'll give it a taste. That is delightful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Come see me at southernsassymama.net, and I'll see you next time.